Welcome to your driver's education modules. As you can see from the main menu in front of you, you're going to be covering signs, road conditions behind the wheel, maintaining your car, and weather conditions. Beneath this, you can see for Module 1 the main objectives. And then in Module 1 on signs, you can open it up and you can start going through. Some are slides, sometimes you have a video. Sometimes you're going to have questions, and when you get a question, you try it, and you push the check mark, try again, push the check mark, and correct, and continue. And we go to the next slide. Sometimes you're going to have matching. Sometimes you're going to just have slides to follow. When you're done, at the bottom, you're going to have the assignment, which you're going to do back in the learning management system. You also, if you want to get rid of all of this, can just click on here and you get just the slides, which you can go through. You also can do this on your phone. You can do it on tablet or a computer. Hope you enjoy the unit.